I'm going to give an introduction to one of my favorite commands. It's called the collect command. Basically, what it will allow you to do is, would it be nice if you wrote something and you could save those results to an index? Say you're looking at a large set of data and you pull out some important values. Wouldn't it be nice if those were actually written to an index that you could query and search at a later time? I'm going to give some possibilities of how to use this at the end. We'll probably do some for free analytics share, but this is just to whet your appetite if you're not familiar with the collect command. So I'm using here a makeresults command. I'm just doing a count for, streamstats count, making a case here. I'm going to pull this off so you can actually see what this would look like. So I've got myself some logs here. If this makeresults doesn't look familiar, please watch the video channel on my FADS results, these free analytics, and you'll actually see me give an explanation of what's going on here. But the command I want to focus on is this here, pipe collect. This command here says take the results and write it to an index. The index does need to exist or it will fail, and you're going to call out the source. And so this will be, in this case, I'm going to call it lame make results. If I run this, it's going to give me back the results just like normal, but if I run this now, I have in my lame training, that information is logged. And now I have a log that I can search and use, and it writes it, it does everything, and I've got values. There's foo, the index, line count, Splunk server, etc. count. And so this data is now being written to they're called summary indexes. Summary indexes can be an awesome tool. You can use it to create inventory. You can use it to summarize information. Sometimes, like for example, you can build your own basic alerting system, have a safe search kickoff every so often, and anything that's abnormal, save that off to a summary and then present that to your analysts the next day, and they can look through the really specialized logs. There's a lot of reasons you'd want to use summary indexing, and the big key here, summary indexing, anything you write there, we always talk about, oh, we got to pay for how much we ingest. Summary indexes do not cost you anything against your license. If you have an ingestion-based license, you can make summary indexes all day and it does not count. You can search them, write to them, no big deal. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. I'm going to continue doing more of these, and we will cover, probably have longer tutorials. There's so many cool things with summary indexes. It opens up a world of possibilities for you. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Like, subscribe to the channel if you find this useful. Hope you keep coming back for the daily analytics, and have a great day.